Hello, hi guys. Today I'm going to be teaching you some substitutions you can do instead of playing your six minor chord on your six, some things to do on your six. Riffs, chords, chordal substitution, tonal substitutions. So let's get right down to it. But before we go, if you've not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button and on the notification bell so that you can get notified as soon as new juicy videos drops. Let's get right down to it. So basically, it's the 7-3-6 movement, but substituting your six. So the first substitution I did was this A major seventh, this A major seventh movement. So you've got so 7, 3, and then your 6. So you can even do this. Beautiful, beautiful. So you've got this 7, this one. On your left hand, you've got, sometimes I use this so that this comes up. So you've got 7, 3, 6, and then to the 2, 5, 1, to the 4. So 7, 3. On your left hand, you've got your A, your E, and then on your right hand, you've got your A flat, your C sharp, and your 2. Let's apply it in a song. Oh, dancing my song, my Savior God to thee. Now, oh, da da da, how great thou art. Oh, this one. Never could have made it without. Never could have made it without. You see? Again, another song. You are your let's say, as that is. As that is panted for the world to soar. My soul panted high. that song. You are my heart. So that's the first one. That's the first one. The second one is actually using your tritone. So and they do this, and then 5 and 4. So again, let's apply it in a song. So I said this chord. Ooh, I love that. Oh. Ooh, that's another one. That's a bonus one. Again, so as the days, panting for the water, so my soul. You see these beautiful movements for the 6. Oh, you are 7, art my 6. Desire and love to world. So the first one was 7, 3, 6. The first one rather. As the dance, man said the first one. The second one, and then you've got this sorry, which is your tritone. What we have for the 6 is your G on your left hand, your C sharp on your right hand, and your C sorry, you have this tritone, which is your G and your C sharp, while on your right hand you've got a B major chord for your 6. Another one which I did earlier was a walk down of that same chord, but down. We're doing this. Sorry. So that means so let's apply it. So let's go. As the fountain for the water, so much. It's beautiful. Beautiful movements. Or we can do this one, which is substituting that 6, right? But then now we're slurring this G major 6 with this G diminished. So let's do that again. As the dance, as the See? Oh. 4, 5, 6. So these are the different chordal substitutions you can do to replace your 6. The first one was the A major 7th. The second one was this chord right here, a J major 7th, flat 5, sharp 5 for a 6. And then you've also got a walk down. That's the third one. And the fourth one was. So now, but when you are using this, also be guided by melody and also harmony. So let's say we have this song. Jesus, you love me too much, too much, too much. Jesus, it starts with a 6. So, Jesus, you love me too much. Jesus, you love me too. You see the one? Oh, too much, excess love. Jesus, you love me too much. Substituting that 6. That's 6. I hope this helps and helps your playing. Substitute your 6, spice it up, and the sky is the limit. And remember, practice makes perfect. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification button to get more videos like this. See you in the next class.